I'm Asmaa, Senior Product Marketing Manager at Ansys, and I'm here to present the latest features of our two generations of embedded software solutions, Ansys SCADE and Ansys SCADE One. To support a smooth transition between current and next generation development tools, the coupling between SCADE One and SCADE Display provides a powerful gateway. This interoperability allows teams to maintain continuity with existing projects while laying the groundwork to future human-machine interface development using SCADE One. Ansys SAM now includes connected workflows for embedded software prototyping, allowing users to utilize the software requirements and software architectural information contained in the SAM to design and generate safety-critical embedded code. SCADE One models can be stored on the System Engineering portal and opened directly in SCADE One. From the System Engineering portal, the user can trigger the import of a SysML v2 model to SCADE One. The SAM importer generates matching SWAN declarations from the SysML v2 model to quick-start the software implementation. Ansys SCADE One continues to evolve as a modern, AI-enabled development platform offering intelligent assistance with the new Ansys Engineering Copilot. To boost productivity and usability, this AI-powered assistant is now integrated directly into the SCADE One interface to help guide our users through modeling tasks by providing intelligent, context-aware support. The new panel also provides access to embedded software tech blog articles, free Ansys innovation courses, forum, and support tickets. One of the major highlights in our 2025 R2 release is the Python wrapper, which allows SCADE One models to be executed directly from Python scripts. This feature unlocks a wide range of new use cases by tapping into Python's rich ecosystem. For instance, one may execute SCADE One control software to collect data, analyze it with the NumPy library, and draw result charts with the matplotlib library. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about our embedded software solutions, visit us at ansys.com and request your free trial.